Today I'm going to talk to you about the Xpert-60 Clay-2-Go Kit. This is a professional fallout eraser kit that you can easily use and get great results with. So what is fallout? What's commonly known as fallout are iron particles that get embedded in your paintwork and cause surface imperfections. This fallout can come from different sources such as brake dust, iron particles from a railway track, or power lines or airborne particles from a factory nearby. Lots of places really. So what's so bad about iron particles? Iron particles have a microscopic outer edge that is very jagged. They get stuck in the paintwork surface of your car. To have flawless paintwork you need to get rid of them. Okay, what's in the box? We've got a clay bar, some clay lube and a microfiber cloth. Everything you need to actually remove your fallout or contaminant. The Xpert-60 Clay-2-Go clay bar removes a wide range of everyday contaminants from paint overspray, industrial fallout, tree sap, emulsion paint spatter, rail dust, all the way right through to volcanic ash. What's the clay lube for? Clay-2-Go lube is a special detergent formulated not to dry out, minimising the risk of surface marring and helping the clay bar to work its magic. It's a far superior lubricant than conventional shampoo or soapy water that some people use. Okay, now you know what it is, how do you use it? Let me show you how easy it is. First, get a good chunk of the clay and flatten it into a small pancake about 5 mm thick. Then apply a liberal amount of lube to the face of the clay and to the paintwork being treated. Place the clay flat onto the paintwork and work the clay gently over the paintwork. If you feel the clay grabbing, use more lube. Only do a panel or half a panel at a time. Regularly check the face of the clay for contaminants. That's the stuff being lifted out of your paintwork. If the clay is starting to look dirty, turn it over and carry on. Use a new piece of clay if you need to. When you are finished, wipe the treated area dry with the microfiber. Carry on until you have completed all the panels. Once you have clayed your car, you will be able to feel the difference. Paintwork feels smoother and slippier, even shinier. Now is the best time to wax your car for extra protection. It's as easy as that. Xpert-60's Clay-2-Go. Job done.